Alright, so I'm going to change the filter in the CHR again. Since the last time I did it, it's time to change it again. This one that I bought is original from Toyota. I bought it just to check it out, see how it works. Then I found out that it's the same brand as the first one that I bought, the K&N brand. So I'm just gonna replace it because mine is, I saw it a few days ago and it was just too dirty. And I am planning on washing this one, but this one is super bad right now. Yeah. Compared to this one, as you can see there, you can obviously see the difference. Super dark. Oh wow, look at this. You can still see through though the light. So it's been working out still, but I think it's about time to give it a wash. I'm not gonna get rid of it. I'm just gonna give it a little wash. I'm gonna leave it inside a bath of Dawn soap from the dishwash, and I'll leave it there for a day or two, changing the water constantly. If the water gets dark, then you just replace it and keep doing it as much as you can. Keep the water on the level, and until it gets back in clean mode. And what you do at the end is you just blow air through here when you finish the washing, so it can dry faster, and it blows away the last particles stuck between that. It's not damaged, still pretty good. It's just dirty, and it's a pretty good wash, and I think it's still gonna work out pretty well. So now I'm just gonna put the new one. It's gonna look awesome. Oh, it has the TRD on it. That's the part number. Alright, so on this part you can see how much I paid for the air filter. I bought it online and I went to pick it up at the dealer. For those that don't know, I already made a video on how to change the filter, the air filter. It's similar to this one. I just put it in part 1 and this will be part 2. But you can get the idea on what is happening here. And in this other video that I made, I'm showing the original air filter, and then this filter that I bought it at AutoZone, and it's the same brand that the dealer is selling for the TRD filter, and it's just the same thing. And this one, you also have this option that I found, this part number at Walmart, and this is the frame filter that they're selling at Walmart also. So we have different options to buy filters. You have this one from Walmart, we have the other one from AutoZone, we have 2 options to buy filters from the dealer, the TRD, which is this more sport version, or just a regular filter. And those are the instructions that I just showed how to install it or take it off. Thank you for watching and have a good day. I hope this helps you.